patay ang China sa balitang ito. Kinumpirma na ni Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro na hindi tatanggalin ni US President Donald Trump ang $500 million na military assistance. Walang ipo-pull out na military weapons. Tuloy ang konstruksyon ng EDCA sites at mas lalo pa daw papalakasin ang military alliance sa West Philippine Sea. Patay itong si Professor Banlawi. Asa na yung sinasabi mo, Prof, na iiwan ng US ang Pilipinas? Dito nakausap na kasi ni Secretary Guibo ang bagong US Defense Secretary na si Pete Hegseth. Walang aalisin, walang babawasan, kundi mas lalong dadagdagan at i-enhance pa daw. Ito na yung mas kinakatakutan ng Chinese PL Navy. Ang dagdagan pa ang missile system na kasalukuyang nasa EDCA sites. Literal na patay ang China dito.
It remains the same. Insofar as my talk with the National Security Advisor, Mr. Waltz, is concerned, it remains the same, and we talked about even enhancing existing partnerships.
There are saying commitment of a heavy security presence in Asia of the US under Trump. Yun yung commitment ng national security.
No, the commitment that our bilateral and multilateral activities will continue or be enhanced. I will have a conversation with Secretary Hegseth in the coming days. So, we'll see.
Pero kahit tuloy ang military assistance ng Amerika, dapat bumili pa rin tayo ng sarili nating mga barkong pandigma, mas maraming fighter jet at dagdagan ang supersonic missile na BrahMos para kahit walang tulong ng Amerika, kahit papaano kaya nating makipaggera sa China. Ngayon, hindi pa talaga tayo pwede makipaglaban sa mga Chinese. Kaya natawa si Secretary Guibo kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Halata na niloloko daw ni PBBM tong si Maunik. Hindi daw aalisin ng AFP ang Typhoon missile. Kung gusto ng China makipag-ayos, palayasin talaga nila ang lahat ng kanilang barko, pero hindi daw talaga aalisin ng Pilipinas ang missile system.
Well, I mean, if China claims to be what it is, a responsible, peace-loving, law-abiding, purported leader of the world that wants to shape the world, it should get out of our territory, denuclearize its arsenal, remove its ballistic capabilities, and stop their illegal and aggressive activities. You know? I mean, that's the responsibility of any peace-loving, freedom-loving state.
Binatigos naman ni Secretary Guibo tong si Mauning na wala daw Chinese spy. Required nga daw sa bawat na Chinese na mag-report sa China. Nakakatakot ano. Halos lahat pala ng Chinese tuta talaga. As in basta daw against sa Chinese government, i-report daw agad yun.
How can you deny being a state-sponsored that an activity is not state-sponsored when you have an intelligence law that mandates every Chinese citizen or company to be practically an agent of their security service. So by their own legal internal acts, they criminalize themselves.
Good news to sa Pilipinas ang tulong ng Amerika, pero dapat tayong tumindig sa sariling atin. Kayo, sa tingin nyo, tama ba si Secretary Guibo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.